In this video, we will show how to replace the boards included in this Element TV repair kit. The boards included are the power supply, the main board, the T-Con board, and the digital FRC board. It is recommended to take pictures during the repair process to use as a reference point. Be sure your TV is unplugged. The first board we are going to replace is the power supply board. I will start by disconnecting all of the cables and connections on the board. I will remove all of the screws that hold the board to the TV panel. I will slide my replacement board into position and then tighten it to the panel with the screws. I will reconnect all of the cables and connections on the board. I will start by removing the screws on the T-Con board shield. Next, remove the screws and disconnect the LVDS cable and ribbon cables from the T-Con. Align the replacement board and install the screws. Reconnect the LVDS cable and the ribbon cables. Reinstall the top shield and install all of the remaining screws. The next board we are going to replace is the main board. Start by disconnecting all of the cables and connections. Remove all of the screws and the board from the chassis. This main board is a bit unique and it has a metal bracket around it. The metal bracket will need to be removed in order to access all of the screws. Remove the nut on the tuner so the board can be removed from the chassis. Align the replacement board and install the screws. Reconnect all of the cables and connections on the board. The next board we are going to replace is the digital FRC board. Start by disconnecting all of the cables and connections. Remove all of the screws and the board from the chassis. Align the replacement board and install the screws. Reconnect all of the cables and connections on the board.